Hello, I'm Anna. I am the area coordinator for Leggett Immobilier in the Odd, and here we are in front of this beautiful chateau. It's situated between Castelnaudary and Carcassonne. The Odd is a lovely area. It is actually the wine basket in Europe and provides most of the wine around the world. The French wine that you get is usually from our area. But what's great about this area also is its diversity. We're 30 minutes from Toulouse. We're 40 minutes from the beaches, the Mediterranean beaches. We're 90 minutes from really good ski slopes in the Pyrenees Mountains. And we're an hour and 20 minutes from Spain. We actually have a TGV that goes from Narbonne to Barcelona in 90 minutes. So here you are in the true south of France, enjoying the sunshine, and this could be your very own place in the south of France.
Hi, I'm Jackie and I'm your local Leggett agent. The front garden where we are is ideal for sitting and having an apéro with friends, watching the kids play, and you're looking straight down at the Canal du Midi, which is absolutely beautiful. The garden has lots of potential. You could put in a new pool. It has mature trees with lots of little paths going down to the canal. The back garden has plenty of parking. It has room for horses if you wanted horses, and there are stables, along with a few barns and outbuildings. There are 3 gîtes on the property, which could be rented out. The garden and the property itself is just beautiful, and it has so much potential. It can be renovated to be a bed and breakfast, or a small boutique hotel, or a wedding venue with accommodation. The possibilities are endless.
We're now entering into the chateau, and it is a chateau. It consists of 30 rooms, out of which 14 are bedrooms. There is, of course, your drawing rooms, libraries, kitchen, formal dining room, formal salon. And if you think that's enough, you will be absolutely blown away by the history in this castle. It was originally used as a fort when the Canal du Midi was used to transport goods, and there were bandits going up and down the highways here. So Napoleon's army was based actually in this chateau at one point in time, and they actually built the cobblestone walkway all around the chateau. The rooms inside, the character, the fireplaces, the marble, the ornate ceilings, every single room has its own spirit, has its own history, has its own excitement. I think one thing that is fantastic is that everyone can draw something different from every part of the chateau. Here we are with history, with architecture, because actually after it was a fort, an Italian architect was commissioned to turn the fort into a palazzo. So here we are in the converted palazzo, waiting for you to put your stamp on it and to enjoy life in the south of France.
So, now that you've fallen in love with the chateau as we have, look below because we have further details, contact details, virtual tour and more photos and information. We'll be happy to welcome you here to our sunny part of the south of France and arrange a viewing in person for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon here in the true south of France.